Today we have a very special guest with us at the Nukta studio, the very incredible and inspiring Shima Kermani. Hello Shima ji, how are you?
Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
So you've been an actor, a social enthusiast, and an activist, and a theatre enthusiast. किस तरह मैनेज करती हैं आप ये सारे roles and you're still doing it? What is the secret behind it?
नहीं, I don't think there's any secret behind it, but एक तो ये कि I feel कि ये जो सारे arts हैं, theatre, even film and television, dance, music, they're actually all very interlinked. मतलब, you know, you have to, if you're a stage person, you have to also be involved with the visual arts because there's sense of color, aesthetics, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको develop करनी होती हैं, सीखनी पड़ती हैं. And as an actor, you want to, your voice needs to be trained, your movement should be good, your body language has to be trained. So in a way, and then the whole concept of why I am an artist, why I want to do art, what is the purpose of it. So that is then linked to जो आपने कहा कि the activism, and because I want art to be meaningful. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि one is against any form of art, one is not against abstract art or anything, मगर you know, one chooses for oneself कि हर इंसान अपने लिए तय करता है कि मुझे क्या करना है, and how do I see art and what is the meaning of art for me. So for me it is that art must say something, that I want to say something through my art.
So आपके ख्याल में डांस और थिएटर क्या रोल प्ले करता है in preserving and promoting the cultural heritage?
देखिए, like Pakistan is a relatively new country. 75 years or what, so, and so there's been this struggle to find a cultural identity कि हमारी सकाफत क्या है और हमारी शनाख्त क्या है और सकाफती शनाख्त क्या है. That is what, because that is my concern, कि what is our cultural identity. And so one has to link it with the history. One has to link it with the past. I try to push as further back as possible, because you know, when your art is rooted in your past and in your soil and in your culture and in your heritage, in your literature, everything, then that art becomes more powerful, because it then evolves into something new and modern and something जिससे लोग relate कर सकें. So it preserves your heritage. It gives you an identity. It places you in history. It's a, you know, I mean, like ours is a civilization as old as 5,000 BC. So we must remember that. और उसको preserve करने के लिए, I think, and to link ourselves with our past is important, because that's the only way we can move forward. You know, when you recognize your past and then you start evolving into something that then, you know, what we can then call a Pakistani identity, cultural identity, कि हमारी classical art क्या है, हमारी classical music, classical dance क्या है, वो फिर हम जब उसको acknowledge करेंगे तो फिर ही हम उसको आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं.
Very rightfully said. आपके ख्याल में क्लासिकल डांस का परसेप्शन पाकिस्तान में ओवर द इयर्स किस तरह इवॉल्व हुआ है?
Pakistan has had a bit of a problem. The problem was कि to find this, जैसे हमने अभी कहा, what is the cultural identity? क्योंकि we were part of the whole subcontinent of India. और फिर जब partition हुआ, तो there was this whole thing about how do we define ourselves separate from the Indian identity. And normally when they would say Indian identity, it meant Hindu identity. So I think the problem that I'm trying to indicate is that they just picked on religion. You know, एक Muslim identity और एक Hindu. हालांकि the subcontinental identity was very diverse. उसमें बुद्धिस्ट भी थे, सिख्स भी थे, क्रिश्चियंस भी थे, पारसीज भी थे. मतलब religion is not the only identity of any people or
That's
any
true.
community. बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. आपकी ज़ुबान होती है, आपका लिबास होता है, खाना पीना, रहन सहन, you know, relationships, values. So I feel that शुरू से ही Pakistan has had slightly prejudiced attitude towards dance and music because they always felt कि अच्छा डांस और म्यूजिक तो इंडिया का है, भाई हमारा भी तो है, why should we not own it? आप देखें कि जो मैंने जैसे अभी कहा कि जो हमारी सकाफत है 5000 मोहनजोदारो की, तो it's the richest civilization, it's the oldest and the most incredible civilization of the world, and if we don't acknowledge that and if we don't understand that, तो आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे? और उस civilization में there was music, there was dance, there was theatre, there was respect for women, all the things that we have lost. तो perceptions ये हुए, मतलब you know, तो इस चीज़ को लेकर के कि नहीं हमको तो अपना कुछ बनाना है, तो अब सितार है मिसाल के तौर पे एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, तो हिंदुस्तान में भी बजता है, तो हम क्यों नहीं बजाएं उसको? मगर वो नहीं वो तो हिंदुस्तान, अरे वो तो अमीर खुसरो ने इजाद किया था, तबला अमीर खुसरो ने इजाद किया था. You know, I mean, if you want to talk about religion, तो अमीर खुसरो is one of the biggest Sufi saints. तो इस तरीके से I think we've had a very prejudiced and a very convoluted understanding of cultural history. और उसको हमें rethink करने की ज़रूरत है.
You've always used your art to do social activism and to say something. What has been your most memorable experience?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, मगर एक जो off my head which just comes to me is कि we were performing a play in a very small town. हम लोग गाँव जाते हैं, शहर जाते हैं, पूरे पाकिस्तान में ही, मगर बहुत ज़्यादा सिंध में, because you know कराची से क़ुर्बत की वजह से. और हम एक गाँव में परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, और वो and our plays are like they're not heavily dialogue oriented. There's a lot of movement and song and dance, and वो movement भी carries the story forward. तो वो एक मुख्तलिफ लड़कियों की कहानियाँ थी उसमें, you know, phases of women's lives, and the last story was about this woman who gets thrown out from the factory क्योंकि she has become pregnant. तो वो जो उन्होंने कहते हैं कि जाओ तुम,
no use.
We don't want you, because they don't want to pay her all the you know, like the maternity, give her the maternity leave, pay her the amount of money when she will not be at work, वगैरह वगैरह. तो वो बहुत upset होके गिर जाती है, मतलब and then she starts rising up, and उसके दिमाग में आता है कि मैं क्यों मान लूँ इसकी बात, मैं लड़ूंगी इसके खिलाफ. And so she kind of gets up and, you know, यूं करते हुए, like as if she's chained. So symbolically, she breaks her chains and stands up and does this. तो एक बूढ़ा आदमी, हमारे ये जो हम लोग करते हैं ना, इसके बाद हम लोग एक डायलॉग करते हैं अपने ऑडियंस के साथ. तो एक बूढ़ा आदमी उठा, and he almost had tears in his eyes, and I always, whenever I remember it, I think of him, and he said कि ये जो अभी कहानी आपने की, इसमें उस लड़की ने अपने क्या कहते हैं बंदिशें तोड़ दी, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मेरी बेटी ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर सकती, और मैं उसे जाके कहूँगा. And I thought that, I mean, you know, that was such a moving moment for us. Ke, my God, you know, it's got through.
Yeah, for a father to say that.
For the father to say, and for an artist to feel कि भाई मैं जो कहना चाह रही हूँ वो पहुँच गया. So, you know, इस किस्म के moments, and those moments are the times when I feel कि yes, it means, you know, I have to continue. And that's what gives me the strength and the energy कि yes, it is getting through. वो अगर 100 में एक इंसान को भी आप पहुंच जाते हैं उसके दिल तक, दिमाग तक, so that's a big thing, because if he goes and talks to his daughter, then I mean, it's slowly the ripple effect is the whole community, the family, the village, everyone.
Yeah.
And then when the girl becomes a mother, so that's how I look at art. It must change our values, and we feel strong enough then to fight against things that oppress us.
You've received multiple awards over the course of
Not
years.
so many.
No, the Pride of Performance.
हाँ, इतने सालों बाद I
Yeah.
got the Pride of Performance
2023.
2024 में ना.
Oh, okay.
हाँ, शायद 23 में announce
Yeah.
होके 24 में मुझे मिला. But I mean, you know, it's late in life.
Okay. So what is this recognition or these awards mean to you? इनकी कोई value है?
It's a yes and a no. I mean, एक हद तक तो मैं समझती हूँ कि I mean, it's nothing. Because actually when you look at the list of names that are getting the awards, and you think, इसने क्या किया, उसने क्या किया. So,
Right.
but I mean, I don't want to be unnecessarily critical or ungrateful. But I do think it is nice to get acknowledged. I mean, everyone wants, देखिए ना, I mean, everyone wants to be acknowledged by their own country.
Yes.
अब जब हम बाहर जाते हैं तो लोग बहुत वो करते हैं कि हाँ, पाकिस्तान से डांसर, there's, you know, it's a big thing for them कि पाकिस्तान में भी डांस होता है, फेमिनिस्ट सोच भी होती है, और ये और वो. और अपने मुल्क में कोई नहीं अगर पूछे तो you do feel a bit down, ना? तो but I think it is nice to get awards, no doubt.
Yeah. Let's talk a little about Pasuri and your role in it and the amount of international recognition you got, which was amazing.
Yes, it
and
was
you were
amazing.
absolutely brilliant in it.
मेरा तो
Brilliant.
इतना सा था
No,
उसमें,
but it was amazing.
Yeah, I think a lot of credit goes to the whole team.
Yeah.
I mean, to the singers Ali and Shagil, and of course the music, and to the design team. I think they designed it very beautifully.
Oh,
है ना,
yes.
मतलब visuals बहुत अच्छे थे, हर चीज़ बहुत अच्छी थी. But yes, I mean, it did get amazing.
Viewership.
Viewership,
Yeah.
amazing. I think everybody was a bit taken aback. ये क्या हो गया?
बिल्कुल.
और and you're right. मतलब कहाँ से लोगों ने देखा है? मतलब from Africa to South America to India, all over the world really, and people have imitated that. I mean, they've use that song in their own ways, and it's a very catchy tune, I think.
It is.
And मज़ेदार सी चीज़ है. मुझे जब उसने पहले अली ने अप्रोच किया था करने के लिए, तो I was very skeptical. मैंने सोचा कि ये क्या, मैं तो नहीं करती इस तरह का काम. I've been a purist in my art, के classical dance, classical music, no pop, no modern, no nothing. Then I thought to myself, then he said, वो music तो सुन लें आपको अगर अच्छा नहीं लगा तो ठीक है. Then he sent me the music, the song. खैर मेरी तो पहले समझ में नहीं आया because it's in पंजाबी. फिर उसने मुझे इंग्लिश का ट्रांसलेशन भेजा. फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मुझे अच्छा लगने लगा, and I thought कि ठीक है मैं करती हूँ. And then they showed me the set design, which was also very nice.
Beautiful.
And he said कि it's not कि you are dancing constantly, मतलब हम उसमें से निकालेंगे चीज़ें. And I think they took out nice bits, and it worked out well, and I'm glad I did it. अच्छा, जो उसमें जो अच्छी बात हुई है वो ये कि people do know me as a classical dancer.
Yes.
मेरा movements जो थे वो भी classically based हैं. तो उसमें भी मैंने वही किया, मतलब sort of classical based movements. So a lot of young people got interested.
Yes.
कि अच्छा, so this is classical. अब ये कि there's no exposure for them, ना, मतलब हम कहाँ देखते हैं classical dance वगैरह.
Exactly.
तो उनको, तो मुझे ये लगा कि it was good in that way कि it brought a good positive attitude towards classical dance.
It did. It sure did. Speaking of classical dancing, what are the steps or what are the different types of, I've heard of Kathak and Odissi.
Yeah. So ये genres हैं या styles कहलाए जाएं ना. There are different styles क्योंकि हर इलाके की फिर एक अपनी खासियत होती है और उसकी सारी खासियत फिर उसके आर्ट में रिफ्लेक्ट होती है. मिसाल के तौर पे या आपने कहा भरतनाट्यम. हाँ, भरतनाट्यम इज़ फ्रॉम द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ द सब कॉन्टिनेंट. हाँ, तो वहाँ पे जब अगर आप लोगों से बात भी करें ना, तो ये मूवमेंट बहुत होता है सर का, यू नो,
okay.
दे डू दिस काइंड ऑफ हाउ नको, मतलब जो भी बोलना है मगर तो ये फिर डांस में आ गया, यू नो, सो दिस इज अ मूवमेंट इन द डांस, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मूवमेंट। तो इस तरह से जो आपके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं उस एरिया के, वो सब रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं। सो बेसिकली आई लर्नड कथक, भरतनाट्यम एंड ओडिसी, दीज आर द 3 स्टाइल्स। इनमें थोड़ा थोड़ा सा फ़र्क है, लिबास में फ़र्क है, पॉस्चर्स में फ़र्क है, स्टेप्स में है। लाइक कथक इज स्ट्रेट अप, भरतनाट्यम ओडिसी is half sitting, ओडिसी is open with your legs, Bharatanatyam has feet close to each other. इस तरह के differences हैं, but the basic thing is the same. The basic thing is that they tell stories, they describe emotions in the poem or the lyrics or whatever, and then there's this hand language, you know, which speaks.
Right.
तो हर चीज़ के लिए एक ये है, it's called mudra, a gesture. तो यू नो यू कैन शो एनीथिंग। अब जैसे बच्चे करते हैं ना, मछली दिखाते हैं, तो ये है दरख्त दिखाना, फूल और बर्ड्स और birds, or you know, so there's a whole hand language for, so you can use this hand language with your facial expression and your body language to tell the story. And so what is so interesting about dance is that it doesn't need a language. It can communicate by, you know, just in this way. And so it breaks all barriers, you know, जो लोग barriers होते हैं, borders होते हैं कि ज़ुबान नहीं आती, ये है वो। So because, and also finally what dance does is it communicates through the hearts. You know, जो एक expression, एक emotion में आपकी तरफ convey कर रही हूँ, and if you can catch it, then there you know, you're connected.
Yeah.
So it bonds people. And that's why dance is so important. It is a way of communicating and of bonding, of bringing people together. अब ये हम लोग समझ नहीं पाते हैं, इसलिए पाकिस्तान में डांस का तो बुरा हाल है।
जिस तरह सिंगर्स होते हैं, they do रियाज before every performances, तो क्लासिकल डांसिंग में भी ऐसा ही कुछ होता है?
Oh yes, of course. देखिए ना, सिंगर है तो उसका इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्या है, उसका हलक, उसकी आवाज़। सो दे प्रैक्टिस, मतलब सुबह उठ के वो वगैरह, स्केल्स की प्रैक्टिस, सुरों की प्रैक्टिस, एक्सेट्रा, आवाज़ की देखभाल। डांसर हैज़ द बॉडी, यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर योर बॉडी, यू हैव टू train your body, you have to keep it flexible, so because it's all about your body ना। तो और फिर डांस में क्या है कि जो मूवमेंट है उसका, जो स्टेप्स हैं, वो दे आर रिलेटेड टू म्यूज़िक, यू नो, इट्स रिदम। जैसे भरतनाट्यम जो एक बेसिक डांस है ना, तो भाव इसका पहला वो हिस्सा है। भाव मीन्स एक्सप्रेशन, भाव दिखाना ना। र इज द राग, द मेलोडी, जो धुन है। र ता is the ताल, उसकी जो रिदम है। So you have these, all dances have this, the भाव, the melody and the rhythm. तो ये चीज़ें आपको, जाहिर है, अगर आप अपनी रिदम नहीं प्रैक्टिस करेंगी, आप अगर अपने एक्सप्रेशंस नहीं प्रैक्टिस करेंगी, तो बहुत 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 ज़बरदस्त किस्म के रियाज मांगता है डांस। जैसे हमारे गुरु कहते थे, खून पसीना ही करोगे तो फिर ही कुछ हासिल करोगे।
That's true. Thank you so much, Seema ji. It was lovely talking to you.
It was wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah.